Principal Tina observed that teacher Cecile lectures the whole hour and leaves her class. What principle of learning was absent in teacher Cecile's class? Okay, so nagli-lecture siya for an hour and then hahayaan na niya yung kanya pong klase. So ano po yung prinsipyo ng learning no, na wala sa klase ni teacher Cecile? Learning begins with set expectations. Letter B, learning is discovery of meaning by the students. Letter C, learning is cooperative and collaborative. Or letter D, learning is an active process for both teacher and students. Sabi po ninyo, letter D and letter D indeed. Ang ating pong tumpak na choice. Okay, so chika ng chika, lecture for the entire hour and then hahayaan po niya yung kanya pong klase. No? So ano nangyari sa klase ni Teacher Tina? Nakatunganga. Okay? Walang ginawa. No? So sabi ng letter D mo, learning should be an active process for both teacher and students. Yung nangyari dito, si Principal Tina lamang yung lecture ng lecture. And so at the end of the session, at the end of the day, wala nang boses. No? Yung mga estudyante naman po niya, kawawa kasi hindi naging meaningful yung learning. No? Hindi mare-retain yung kanila pong natutunan kasi nakinig lamang.